Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to make 2 easy wall decors at home. Sometimes we spend a lot of money on wall decors and I don't think we have to spend so much. So this is the first wall decor I'm going to show. So simply take an old magazine, whichever you have at home, with a lot of colorful images. So if your wall is white, you can cut those colorful images and use. I am taking a sheet and cutting the shape of the images I want. So I'm cutting an X here so that I can make the images in that shape. Take out pretty pictures from the magazine. I have taken out 9 to 10 pretty images from the magazine. It should just look colorful on the wall. It doesn't matter what is on the picture. If you don't have an old magazine, you can use color papers also, but old magazine will have such pretty images, so why not use them? So here I've taken out some colorful papers from the magazine and now I'm going to use them. So I'm going to arrange them in an order and cut them in a small shape, like so. And you can keep your outlining paper which you did on top of that and you can just cut it in that shape. Please do cut carefully as all the shapes need to be same. So after cutting the papers in the shape, this is what it looks like. These images really look very artsy and very creative. So we are going to use double-sided tape to stick it on the wall, because double-sided tape, it is pretty strong and it sticks on the wall for pretty long, like almost 2-3 months it won't come out. So we are using double-sided tape here. Stick on back of the picture, do not stick on the picture. So we are going to stick the double-sided tape on all the cuttings. So after sticking double-sided tape, this is what it looks like. So you can open the paper from the double-sided tape and stick it on the wall like so. While I'm sticking on the white wall, it is looking so pretty. Oh my god. So stick carefully, aligning the X's like so, like how I have done. You can use another shape as well. Just make sure they look good when you're seeing on the wall. That is all we need, right? So this is done, sticking on the wall, and it looks so pretty. This is actually my favorite corner of the house right now. I just love this decor. So let's move on to the second decor. These are butterflies. I have actually seen these selling on the store. They sell it for almost so much money, and here I am making it just in less than 10-15 rupees, I can say. So I have cut down an outline of big butterfly and small butterfly. I have cut down half outline because we are going to fold the paper and cut the butterfly so that it comes out folded. So fold the paper like so and place the butterfly on top of the paper. I am using a plain color sheet for the big butterflies. So we are going to cut from the outline and make the butterflies ready. So the big butterflies are ready. For the small butterfly, I am using a colored sheet. This is a very pretty color sheet. I got it for 4 or 5 rupees. That's it. So we will cut the small butterflies in the small sheet. And these are all the butterflies I created from the outlining and the color sheets. So this is very easy to do. It took me like only 10 minutes. So guys, do try this. So we are using double-sided tape again here, and we are going to stick this double-sided tape on the part where it is folding, back side of the butterfly. So it looks something like this. Guys, don't worry, it does not fall off from the wall because this double-sided tape, it contains sponge, and sponge sticks very well to the wall. So make sure you cover all the butterflies with this double-sided tape. I have almost 12 butterflies here, 6 small and 6 big. So I have stuck all the double-sided tapes on the butterflies, and this is how they look. So let's stick them to the wall now. Ta-da! This is how it looks. It looks so pretty. This is right actually above my bed, and I am really loving this. This looks so damn cute. And I made it in less than 15 rupees. How cool is that? So guys, if your house walls also are plain and you're feeling boring sitting in your room or something, make these easy DIYs right now, and look how cute this butterfly decor looks. I am just so obsessed with it right now. Comment down below which DIY was your favorite. If both are your favorite, make both. Both are so damn easy. I just made it from whatever was there at my home. You can also look around in your house and find materials and make. So if you like my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye guys. Keep loving, keep supporting.